Hey, this is Sunny. It's Saturday, August 1st, hotter than crap out here in Phoenix. We're doing some Saturday installs, which we typically do in the summer because it is so flipping hot. But if you are curious about what solar would do for you, how much you'd save, how the programs work, what would be best for you, give me a call. I'm happy to help. Message me, text me, and then you can decide for yourself. But one way or the other, you have to buy electricity. So you can either pour that money into an empty, never-ending liability, or you can own the equipment, increase the value of your property, lock up the price that you're paying for power, and save money. So it's a no-brainer, guys, and the tax credit ends at the end of next year. So right now the government's willing to help you with about a third of the project. So definitely take advantage of this while it's available. Maybe you've looked at solar in the past and maybe it wasn't for you, but things change all the time. So get a hold of me, 480-200-4486. Thank you.